there are a lot of print-on-demand sellers that are taking advantage of these designs that are essentially ready to go. They've got the graphic, they've got the text, and they're taking advantage of these, downloading them and putting them on products, whether that's Amazon merch, Etsy, anything that Printify is connected to. That could be Walmart, Amazon, wherever they're selling print on demand. This is huge if we're allowed to do this. But the question is, are we legally allowed to use these designs? What does Creative Fabrica have to say? And also, who could potentially benefit from using Creative Fabrica? So I'm going to dive into the actual terms of service. I'm going to talk about this with you. But to give you an example of what you can download off of Creative Fabrica, you can download these directly as they are. And you can obviously alter them if you want to. Like, these are ready to go. You could put them on phone cases, pillows, t-shirts, hoodies. You could do a lot with this. And this is a bundle. So this is, when I'm looking around on Creative Fabrica for something with potential, bundles always catch my eye. And so the question, still remains, yes, there are a lot of really, really cool professional designs in here. Look, there's even some ornaments. Christmas, every single holiday, you're going to see new designs. And honestly, every single day you come back in here, it's going to refresh. The question is, can we actually use these designs, or should we be altering them in some way? Should we be changing them in some way? What does the actual license say for use of these products? So I scroll down to the POD assets page on Creative Fabrica. They have everything we need to know. I'm going to isolate the specific questions around, can we use these designs for print on demand? And so these are the three main questions, right? Can I use full POD designs as they are for print on demand sites? Yes, all designs in our full POD library can be used as is on print on demand sites. You do not need to modify the design in any way, but can simply upload it to the POD site. So long story short, yes, you can use these however you like. Yes, you can use the fonts however you like. Can you use these designs on multiple sites at the same time? Yes. There's no limit to how many sites you can actually use these designs on, how many products, etc. There's also the question whether there's a cap on how much we can actually sell. And there's not. There are not a limited number of sales that we can make with the full POD license. And the full POD license, if you're wondering, is currently $4.99 a month, so it's definitely worth it. Yes, that's $5 a month for literally every single graphic that you see on Creative Fabrica. So when it comes to ethical, should we be doing this? Is it actually something that works? Is it just a waste of time? It definitely works. One of my first thoughts was, well, wouldn't everyone just use the same designs and everyone kind of flood the space with the exact same graphics? And the answer is no. You'd be surprised at how few print-on-demand sellers are actually using these designs, and you'd be surprised at how many different designs Creative Fabrica has. Every single day when you log in, you'll find examples like this, the Mega Retro Christmas Bundle with 300 plus designs. So this is just an example of the many different bundles that you can find on Creative Fabrica. I do not think that the marketplace is flooded with these graphics, and I think if you follow what I'm about to show you, you can stay on top of new graphics that are released that no one else is really paying attention to. So let's take, for example, let's go to the first or second page, and I'm going to go to this artist in this listing. Now, the main thing I want to pay attention to is I want to go to view the profile of this artist that I like. I'd rather see what the new designs this artist has. And so when I click on their profile page, I'll be greeted with their newest designs. They do a lot of font work. They've done a lot of different emblems and stuff like that. So they do have some pre-made ready designs. Dear Santa, please bring wine. Let me show you an example of someone that's probably more focused on print on demand graphics exclusively. So they're focused on typography and text, or mainly text. And so they're called Graphic Treasures. I'm going to click on their profile. You can also follow the designer and get notifications when they release new things, because remember, everything that you download is included with your subscription. Now I'm noticing maybe some designs that I've never seen before. Personally, I've never seen these, and I think that they're really high potential, because I could put these on some Amazon merch youth apparel, and I think that these would sell really well. Anything T-Rex and fused with another niche or holiday typically does really well, and these are some really nice designs that I haven't seen before. So guys, if you're looking to bulk up your product catalog, I would recommend not spending all of your time designing and actually spend a lot of your time uploading new products, because at the end of the day, you want to occupy more real estate on platforms, whether that's Etsy, wherever it is that you're selling. You want to take up more space, and you have to do that by uploading more products. And so you can take these designs and you can upload them to just t-shirts, but I would recommend finding some higher profit products as well, like hoodies. Take these designs and put them on the back of some hoodies and start selling those for around $39.95, and find some other high profit products that I recommend on this channel that would work well. Maybe some hooded blankets or something like that. I'd rather have a professional catalog of designs ready to go. This is one that I love right here. Literally Mamasaurus, Daddysaurus, Cousinsaurus. These are all different designs inside the same bundle, 16 different designs that follow the same kind of style. And this is something that I would have to normally pay a designer for, or I would attempt to do myself, but would spend hours on and not actually achieve. Guys, grab Creative Fabrica. I think it's definitely worth it. And yes, you can 100% use these designs exactly as they are. You do not need to alter them. Join the free Facebook group. There's a lot of free assets being released in there. More strategies on how to succeed with print on demand. If you need help, if you need one-on-one consultation, there's a Calendly link below. Find a time slot on my calendar. Let's dive into your Facebook ads. Let's dive into your Amazon merch business. Let me audit your Etsy store. We can find a way to help you succeed. And finally, guys, group coaching is open. So you can book a call with me below to see if group coaching would be a good fit for you. We meet every single week and discuss what's working, what's not working, both for my own business and for my clients. You're going to be able to send me screenshots. You're going to be able to send me messages when you get stuck, and I'm going to give you a direction and a focus to head on. And then every single week, we will meet and we will discuss with the group any questions that you have. So if you're interested in group coaching, be sure to book a call with me below. Grab Creative Fabrica. There's a link below for that. Hope you have an amazing day. Create something awesome. I'll see you in the next video.